Welcome to the future of mobility and technology. Today, we'll uncover groundbreaking innovations reshaping the way we live and move. From autonomous vehicles to eco-friendly designs, get ready to witness the extraordinary. Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle. Imagine a car that harnesses the power of the sun to fuel your daily commute. Meet the Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle, a revolutionary design in sustainable transportation. With its sleek, aerodynamic shape and lightweight construction, the Aptera is built for maximum energy efficiency. Every curve and contour is carefully designed to reduce drag and improve performance. But what truly sets the Aptera apart is its integrated solar panel system. These panels can generate enough electricity to meet most of the vehicle's daily energy needs. In sunny conditions, this means the Aptera could potentially run entirely on solar power. Available in multiple configurations, the Aptera offers impressive range capabilities. On a single charge, it can travel over 1,000 miles, making it one of the most efficient electric vehicles available today. The advanced electric drive system ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience. Inside, the Aptera boasts a spacious, high-tech interior equipped with modern features for comfort and convenience. This vehicle isn't just about efficiency, it's about embracing an eco-friendly lifestyle. By blending solar energy with electric power, the Aptera paves the way for the future of sustainable transportation. The Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle isn't just a car, it's a vision of what transportation can and should be. A step towards cleaner roads, reduced emissions, and a brighter, greener future. Black Widow, Teal Drones. The Black Widow by Teal Drones is an advanced, small unmanned aerial system. It's designed for use in challenging electronic warfare environments. Part of the Ragnet family, it has a modular design that can quickly adapt to different mission needs. Whether it's for short-range reconnaissance or secondary payload operations, the Black Widow delivers. It's equipped with high-resolution electro-optical (EO) and infrared (IR) imaging from the Hadron 640. This allows for clear visibility even in tough conditions. The drone features forward-looking obstacle avoidance and AI-driven target identification and tracking. This makes it ideal for enhancing situational awareness. The Black Widow helps users stay ahead of potential threats. With a flight time of over 35 minutes, it can reach speeds of up to 23 miles per hour. Its range extends to 5 miles, making it highly efficient for a variety of tasks. Despite its capabilities, the Black Widow is portable, easily fitting into a rucksack. This drone plays a key role in boosting the survivability and operational effectiveness of soldiers in modern military scenarios. It's a powerful tool for any mission, providing valuable insights and support when needed most. Farizon Homtruck Cabless Truck. Picture a truck with no cab, no driver, and no need for a steering wheel. Introducing the Farizon Homtruck Cabless Truck, an innovative leap in autonomous commercial transportation, created by Farizon Auto. This truck is built for specific environments such as ports, logistics hubs, and mines, where it can operate efficiently without the traditional cab. By removing the cab, the Homtruck not only saves space for more cargo but also eliminates the need for a human driver. Powered by Level 4 autonomous driving technology, this truck can follow fixed routes with pinpoint accuracy. It's designed to handle its environment smoothly, thanks to its advanced sensors and a durable protective shell that ensures both safety and reliability. The cabless design brings substantial cost savings. By removing the need for a driver, the truck reduces operational costs and increases fuel efficiency. Moreover, it supports sustainable practices, contributing to a greener, more eco-friendly transportation future. This truck isn't just another vehicle, it's transforming how goods are transported. The Farizon Homtruck Cabless Truck represents the future of autonomous transportation, offering a practical, efficient, and driverless solution to commercial transportation needs. Stay with us as we dive deeper into how this groundbreaking vehicle is shaping the logistics industry. HASSELL Plus EOC. EOC is an innovative design concept created for NASA's Mars Habitat Challenge. It envisions a sustainable living environment on Mars using advanced technology and smart design. The habitat is built with modular, self-sustaining structures. These can be transported to Mars and assembled on-site using robotic construction methods. The building materials include 3D printed Martian soil, which offers both durability and protection against harsh radiation. Inside, the habitat is designed with adaptable living spaces. These include communal areas for social interaction, dedicated workspaces for research, and private quarters for rest and relaxation. Every detail focuses on supporting astronauts' physical and mental well-being during long missions. This concept is not just about survival but also about creating a comfortable and functional space. It blends technology and thoughtful design to make life on Mars a real and sustainable possibility. HASSELL Plus EOC is a bold step forward in extraterrestrial architecture, paving the way for humanity's future beyond Earth. Mini Vision Next 100. The Mini Vision Next 100 is a bold concept car designed to reshape urban mobility for the future. This innovative vehicle takes a futuristic approach to transportation. It features a transparent front end, giving it a unique and cutting-edge look. The exterior surfaces are fully customizable, allowing drivers to personalize the vehicle to their preferences. One of the standout features is the Cooper Riser, a central, translucent, circular instrument that communicates with the driver through dynamic color changes. This gives a personalized driving experience, adapting to the driver's needs and mood. Inside, the design is all about flexibility. The steering wheel and pedals are adjustable, offering a more comfortable and tailored driving experience. You can also switch between different driving modes, depending on your preferences or situation. The Mini Vision Next 100 emphasizes shared ownership. Multiple users can drive the car, yet it maintains a unique feel for each individual. This makes it perfect for families or communities who want to share the vehicle without losing a sense of ownership. Equipped with autonomous driving technology and artificial intelligence, this concept car offers a glimpse into the future of urban transportation. It's designed to make commuting smarter, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Experience the future of mobility with the Mini Vision Next 100. Seabob Rescue. The electrically powered watercraft for life-saving missions. The Seabob Rescue is an advanced watercraft designed for life-saving operations. It's powered by electricity, making it efficient and eco-friendly. This vehicle can operate on the surface of the water and dive to depths of up to 40 meters, ensuring it's ready for any rescue situation. Built with precision, the Seabob Rescue features a central cockpit with a clear TFT color display. This allows operators to monitor the vehicle's status in real time. The intelligent control grips use PZO technology, ensuring maximum control and responsiveness. Premium carbon elements are used throughout the design, adding strength and durability while maintaining a lightweight structure. Powered by high-performance lithium-ion batteries, the Seabob Rescue delivers reliable performance, even in the most critical situations. It's engineered to handle challenging environments, providing safety and efficiency during rescue missions. The Seabob Rescue is also certified for rapid air transport. This makes it easy to deploy quickly in disaster-stricken areas. Whether responding to an emergency on water or at sea, the Seabob Rescue is a versatile tool for any emergency response team. XGO-Rider. The future of robotics. Meet the XGO-Rider, the world's first desktop wheel-legged robot. It combines the speed and flexibility of wheels with the adaptability of legs. This robot isn't just about movement, it's packed with powerful AI features. It can recognize gestures, detect faces, and even track skeletons. The XGO-Rider lets you interact using both image and voice commands. It's driven by the Raspberry Pi CM4 core module, giving it a solid and reliable performance. You can program it using Blocky or Python, making it a perfect tool for learning. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, the XGO-Rider offers endless possibilities. Compact, stable, and versatile, this robot is designed for both fun and education. It's more than just a machine, it's an innovative companion. With the XGO-Rider, you're not just learning about robotics. You're engaging with it in an interactive and meaningful way. The future of personal robotics is here, and it's called the XGO-Rider. Digital transformation. Digital transformation is reshaping the future of work. Companies are integrating advanced technologies like AI and automation to stay competitive. But technology alone isn't enough. Organizations must also rethink their work culture to boost productivity, engagement, and growth. Creating adaptable work environments is key. Spaces that encourage continuous learning and innovation help employees grow alongside technological advancements. This means addressing the challenges automation brings to the workforce and rethinking how talent is managed. A culture of learning and adaptability ensures employees aren't left behind. When people feel supported and empowered to grow, they contribute their best work. This balance between human creativity and technology leads to workplaces that are not only efficient but also inclusive and sustainable. In short, digital transformation isn't just about upgrading tools, it's about upgrading mindsets. Companies that embrace this approach will not only survive but thrive in the future of work. Pudu T300, the smart industrial delivery robot. Introducing the Pudu T300, the smart and reliable industrial delivery robot. Designed to transport heavy loads of up to 300 kilograms, this robot is built for efficiency. Whether you're in a warehouse or a busy industrial space, the Pudu T300 makes moving goods easier. Anyone can operate the Pudu T300, thanks to its simple interface. It comes equipped with advanced IoT capabilities. These features include elevator control, gate navigation, and remote paging. All of this is managed through an intuitive operational screen. The Pudu T300 is highly adaptable. Its wide range of software APIs and hardware interfaces allow it to integrate smoothly with your existing systems. Whether you're looking to scale up or enhance your operations, the Pudu T300 has you covered. With the Pudu T300, you can expect to streamline your operations and increase efficiency. It's the perfect solution for businesses looking to improve their logistics and reduce manual labor. Experience the future of industrial delivery with the Pudu T300 today. RIM, the game changer in personal transportation. Looking for an efficient way to get around? Meet RIM. This sleek, lightweight device is changing the way we travel short distances. RIM combines a powerful electric motor with a compact, foldable design. It's perfect for urban commuters, students, and anyone always on the go. The ergonomic handle and footrests ensure a comfortable ride. Whether you're traveling to work, class, or just exploring the city, RIM offers a smooth experience. Safety is a top priority. With built-in LED lights, you'll always be visible, even in low light. The reliable braking system adds an extra layer of security for your peace of mind. RIM features a long-lasting battery that charges quickly, so you can enjoy extended rides without constantly needing to plug in. It's the ideal solution for navigating city streets, campus pathways, and parks. Eco-friendly, convenient, and stylish, RIM is designed to upgrade your commute. Embrace the future of short-distance travel with RIM.